Good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can put to-do list on your home screen just like this. See here, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 total 8 to-do lists. Say for example this is my most recent one. So need to attend meeting on laptop at 3 p.m. This is the to-do list for my today's activity, today or tomorrow or coming week, whatever it may be. So once it is completed, I'll check this radio button so that it removes from the list. Call my friend, just as an example I kept this, right? So in this way, if you want to keep, I'll be removing this and I'll quickly add this back so that you'll get to know. First of all, you need to have this Google Task app on your mobile. Then only you can keep this widget on the home screen. If not, what you can do is you can open the Play Store and on the search you can just simply search as tasks here, which are Google Tasks. So install this. Once you install this, press and hold on your mobile on your home screen for a few seconds so that you'll see this pop-up called Widgets. Tap on this, as task will be at the end because this will be listed in the alphabetical order. So this is the Google Tasks. So just open this and drag and drop, and you may ask, and it is asking the Gmail to provide, so I'll choose this Gmail and I'll be increasing this space. Okay, you may ask how I can keep the task here, but for the first time no task will be available. Okay, so at that moment what I'll do is you need to be clicking on this plus symbol here, and now you need to add a task. Say for example, to do, maybe to do watering, something like that, just for the example purpose. So you need to add them here, and once it is complete you can check this. So in this way you can keep to-do list on the home screen to increase your productivity. If you feel this is helpful to you, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.